Any number may be expressed as an integral power of 10, or as the product of two numbers where one of the numbers is an integral power of 10. For example, here we have 22,700. So you see this in scientific notation where you have the coefficient, which is predominantly going to be your non-zero digits. So here we have 227 or 22,700. The question you have to ask yourself is, okay, how can I get rid of the zeros if the decimal is here? So count the places that the decimal moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2.27 times 10, and the number of places the decimal moved to the left, it's going to be a positive exponent, and in this instance it's the number 4. So 2.27 or 2.27 times 10 to the fourth. What about this number? Now we have a lot of zeros just to get to the